Hello class. Today we present our interactive phonics flashcard for young EFL learners. How to use? We have 3 simple steps. Step 1. Student must look at the IPA symbols and the emoji to connect the sound with a familiar word. Step 2. Student must follow action rules like pop it like a balloon for P and do a throat check to feel the vocal vibration. Step 3. We use the minimal pairs duel at bottom for quick listening games. In conclusion, these cards turn abstract phonology into a fun physical game. Thank you.
Good morning, children. How are you today?
Good morning,
Good. Okay. Good. I hope you are very well today and so excited to meet me today.
Okay.
Now, we will study about the letter, the consonant letter card. Look at this, like this. Do you know what letter is this?
B.
Okay. B. The sound produced with your lips, mean like this. B.
B.
B. That's the symbol. Look at this picture. Ball.
Ball.
Bus.
Bus.
Okay, now please give me the one example from B.
Ball. Ball.
Okay, very good. And the second letter card. Look at this. What letter is this?
F.
Okay. How make it? How make it? Look at this. Touch your lower lips with your top teeth like this. And slowly. And quiet air.